Let me run you all through a quick exercise. When you think of search engine, what's the first thing that comes to your mind?
Google.
Perfect. When you think of e-commerce, it's obviously going to be Amazon, Flipkart, and Alibaba. When you think about cabs, it's going to be Ola and Uber. But when you think about the kitchen, you're going to be bombarded with quite a few names. That's why we like to introduce ourselves as Entro Mechatronics, the one-stop solution for all your kitchen needs. Imagine, after a tiring day of work, what's the first thing that you want to do? You want to sit back, relax, watch some Netflix, and have a good homemade meal. But being a young professional like me, if I look around me, my loving mother is not there anymore to feed me anymore here around, and I'm quite lazy to cook, frankly speaking. And if you look at an alternate option, we're all shifting to the Swiggies and Zomatos on a daily basis. So if we do this every day, my tummies are going to go bigger and my wallets are going to go thinner. So that's where Entro Mechatronics introduces the Kitchen Hub, where we create a series of smart appliances which acts as a cooking assistants to solve rudimentary tasks in the kitchen, right from reordering the grocery, to cutting the vegetables, to washing the rice, everything that you need. And we want to promote a healthy lifestyle by enabling anyone to cook from anywhere at any time.
And cooking, according to us, is not just about stirring ingredients, but it starts all the way from you having to go out, buy the vegetables or grocery, come back, store, wash, prepare, monitor, and then cook. We want to automate the complete chain, start to end. For this, we are coming up with series of appliances which can automate every task. Grocery reordering, cooking your curries, grains. But for the first 2 years, we are focused on our first product, which is Rizentra, world's first fully automatic cooker. We also have a demo in NSR cell. If you are interested, you can come down. So this cooker, you just have to choose the number of cups you want to eat. It can be any kind of grains, rice, dal, oats, millets, quinoa, anything. The machine automatically draws that much for you, washes, puts exact amount of water required, soaks if required, switches on and switches off fully automatically. And the best part is you don't have to stand there to do that, you can do it from your phone. So a brief overview or small dive into the history, how has the industry evolved and where is the industry of cooking going. When the world has started, it was all natural. Then some man invented heat or fire, and we all started cooking with.
Better say some woman before someone jumps on you.
Woman, yeah, a smart woman maybe. Then slowly in the 1800s, mechanical appliances got introduced, kerosene stove and the coal barbecue charcoal. Then in the 1900s, we were introduced to late 1900s, 1950s, 60s. We were introduced to electric cookers or induction pans, and then the industry started exploding. Now in this 2000s, we have all kinds of appliances. But going into the future, all the appliances would be automated, or smart appliances would come into place where it would be people don't have to stand there, or you don't have the skill involved and the work involved will be taken by a smart machine. You just have to do the recipe part, or some master chef would upload recipes and the machines would cook automatically. At the moment, the industry may be in a very crude stage, but this is the future, and majority of the industry would be occupied with these machines. Plus, soylent-based diet or lab-grown meat or lab-grown nutrition, that's also taking up because of the growing population and shrinking land area of agriculture.
So why are we entering our kitchen automation with the electric cooker? So if you can see, there's an interesting statistic that I want to share with you. If you heard about the NutriPot in the US, it sold 20,000 units on the Amazon Big Billion Day. And if you look at one of the key driving factors, it's primarily innovation and premiumization of the innovation. So the rice cooker market, the cooker market is basically a 24 billion market with 41 million units which was sold on a global scale. Now, as I had mentioned earlier, what's so innovative and how is our product innovation different from the market? As we said, let's say you're at work, at the movies, just click 2 cups of the grain on your phone. By the time you're back home, it will have measured, washed, soaked, drained the starch and cooked. And as soon as you're back home, half the work is done. We have a voice assistant and a cooking induction stove at the bottom, and you can cook any recipe in a jiffy.
Last minute.
Sure. So here's the difference. Here's where our strength lies. This is the difference between traditional cooker, multi-cooker, and our innovative appliances. And we are focusing on the multi-cook and stirring option as well. That is our key differentiator. Here's the target consumer. We're looking at the working professionals who are all primarily lazy, just like me. And here's the core team. These are the 4 pillars of our company. Sanjeev Kuroda, we both are mechatronics engineers by background. Sanjeev Kuroda is a strategic consultant, and Mr. Koo Lian, our global procurement ninja and our first investor. So before I conclude, I'll just take a small story. Right now when we sit down for a meal, I look at my meal and I go back to a flashback. I think of a good summer morning when I'm playing with my friends, and I hear from the distance my mother shouting out, "Mone, Kanna, the food is ready." I go running back home, exhausted, and I can smell the aroma of the food that my mom's prepared for me. I sit down and I eat that food with the love that she's given. Fast forward to where I am right now, I miss that. And that's where Enter Mechatronics strives and assures to bring back those memories onto your table. We're open to questions.
Questions.
From the internet.